This is y equals 2x. This is y equals x to the third power. The blue area is the area under 2x minus the area under x to the third power. We want the volume of this structure in blue from 0 to 1 as it is rotated around the x-axis, like so, and again like so. Better. Let's start with y equals 2x. When I rotate 2x around the x-axis, a circle is formed whose area is pi r squared equals 8. But r and f of x are one and the same. Ergo, for y equals 2x, we get pi 2x squared equals a. When I rotate x to the third around the x-axis, a circle is formed whose area is pi r squared equals a. But r and fx are one and the same. So for y equals x to the third, we get pi x to the third squared equals a. Now let's take the integral from 0 to 1 of pi r squared. For y equals 2x, pi r squared is pi 2x squared minus pi r squared. For y equals x to the third, pi r squared is pi x to the third squared dx. This will give me the area of the slice times the infinitely small width. This will add up all the slices from 0 to 1. 2x squared becomes 2 squared, x squared becomes 4x squared. X to the third raised to the second power becomes x to the 3 times 2, x to the 6th power. Move it all up. Bring down the pi. Bring down the 4. And let's integrate x squared. X to the 2 plus 1. And in the front, 1 over 2 plus 1. There I've got pi to the 4th. Let's rearrange it to 4 pi over that 1 over 2 plus 1. So 4 pi over 2 plus 1. Let's take the 2 plus 1 and add it up to 3. Now we got 4 thirds. Let's change that to 4 thirds pi x to the third. Form is changed, but not the value. Bring down the negative sign. Bring down the pi. Let's integrate the x to the 6 becomes 1 over 6 plus 1. 1 over 7. Pi over 7 times x to the 6 plus 1. X to the 7. Let's move this up like so. And now we're going to evaluate from 1 to 0. Oops, common denominator here is 21. 4 pi over 3 becomes 3 into 21. 7 times 4, that's 28 pi. Pi over 7 becomes 7 into 21 is 3. 3 times pi is 3 pi. Like so. Let's evaluate now from 0 to 1. And we got some fighting room. Let's substitute x with 1. We get 1 to the third and 1 to the 7th. Any 1 to any power is itself 1. Anything times 1 is itself. So I've got 28 pi over 21 times 1 to the third minus 3 pi over 21 times 1 to the 7th becomes 28 pi over 21 minus 3 pi over 21. Becomes 25 pi over 21. Let's do the next one. I substitute the x with the 0. 0 to any power is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. That becomes a big fat 0. So, 25 pi over 21 minus 0 is 25 pi over 21. And that's our volume. Volume equals 25 pi over 21. Or, you could say volume equals 1 plus 4 over 21 pi. Either way is good. And that's it. We're done. Logically yours, George Bull.